Hello everyone! Today we are going to review the topic My Home. This lesson includes two parts. First is vocabulary and sentence, second is phonics. Now let's get started. First, let's review the vocabulary and sentence structures you can use with this topic. I will begin with family members. Family. This is my family. Who is this? Grandpa. This is my grandpa. Who is this? Grandma. This is my grandma. Now, who is this? Dad. This is my dad. Question. Who is this? Mom. This is my mom. Who is this? Brother. This is my brother. Who is this? Sister. This is my sister. And last, who is this? Baby. This is a baby. Now, let's review numbers. Alright, help teacher count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How about this picture? How many people can you see? 2. And I have a question for you. How many people are there in your family? Next, we will review about house things. What is this? House. This is a house. What is this? Sofa. This is a sofa. What is this? Door. This is a door. What is this? Bed. This is a bed. What is this? Window. This is a window. Do you remember the colors we have learned? Now, let's review. Red, orange, and yellow. Green, blue, and pink. What color is the door? It is a green door. What color is the sofa? It is red. It's a red sofa. For the topic, my home, we've learned prepositions. Now let's take a look. In. Where is the ball? It's in the box? On. Where is the ball? It's on the box. Under. Where is the ball? It's under the box. Now it's phonics time. Let's sing the song for the t, t, t sound. Sing it! When I watch a tennis game, t, 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 t. When I watch a tennis game, my head goes back and forth. What sound is this? T, t. Tomato. Now, let's sing the song for the sound. Sing it! Answer my arms, answer my arms, answer my arms, they're causing the alarm. What sound is this? Ant. Now let's sing the song for the S sound. Sing it! The snake is in the grass, the snake is in the grass. S, s, the snake is in the grass. What sound is this? S, s, sun. We have just reviewed what we've learned from the topic, My Home. To our dear parents and guardians, please help us record the videos of your child while doing these activities, and please send us via the QR code on the screen. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye!